Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you post on your X app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up, you click here on this photo here in app, then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on profile and you come here to this list, then you just go down, you click here in this sign here down, so and it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on post, you click here in this sign, so then it's going to take us in this list, and here can you add your post. So here if you want to add a photo with your post, or here give, or can you add location. So and alor can you do here in this list, and here can you choose who can see your post. In there can you add your post. When you click here on post, when you're down, you click here on post to add your post. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.